Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about WAZIRX coin. Absolutely a good coin, and the price of the WAZIRX is very high, but if you look the change occur in the WAZIRX, so the change of WAZIRX goes very better. They take a jump in the current situation and hope they also take a jump in the future friends. Now friends, in this video we are talking about WAZIRX next move and also talking about the previous crash. As you know, the all cryptocurrencies coin, all cryptocurrencies fast down yesterday. A very bad crash occurred, but now it's a good luck of WAZIRX holders. As you can see here, if you look the last 1 day result of WAZIRX coin, so the last 1 day result, the last 1 day prices of WAZIRX coin goes very better friends at this time friends. And if you look the change, the last 1 hour change, so the last 1 hour change is absolutely goes very better. But if you look the last 1 week, so the last 1 week change goes very bad friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of WAZIRX. Before seeing the more details, kindly subscribe now ABS Tech Channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now if we talk about the price change occurred in the last 1 day, so the price change is about positive 5.03%. That means that they only goes upward friends. As you can see here, they at this time they take a high jump friends. So now they are also in the jumping more friends. So enjoy it if you are a holder of WAZIRX coin friends. If you look the highest price of WAZIRX coin, so the highest price is about 2.67%, sorry, USD dollar, and the current price is about 2.55 USD dollar is the current price of WAZIRX coin. So soon they had this kind of price, this price soon friends. And I think if they continue this kind of jump, so soon they hit a 3 USD dollar in the end of this month friends. So what is the next move? It is clear for us that on the jumps occur in the WAZIRX as we detect from the previous period. As you can see here, jumps occur in a WAZIRX coin, and if you look the currently at this time situation, so they goes at this time same like a rocket friend. So that's mean that the WAZIRX goes to moon friend. So a positive change occurs in the WAZIRX coin, and the future of the WAZIRX very bright. A big jump, a big pump coming soon, so please wait for it, and please hold your WAZIRX coin with the last half this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech Channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.